property here. It's a ground floor, 2-bedroom flat. Waterside apartments. This is the hallway. This is the bedroom leading off the hallway. With flats you don't normally get a lot of storage, but this flat we've got like a utility room almost, which houses all the washing machine and all the little bits and pieces, so it's quite useful. And you've got the other bedroom. And you've actually got an outside balcony space which you've got access to through the lounge. It's got a bit of a space here as well, which is really nice. And you've got the bathroom, fully tiled. And you've got the lounge here. Kitchen area here, all open plan. Living space here. This is the balcony we were talking about earlier. Nice little area here. Outside space which you don't normally get with flats. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing here today. If you need any help with property matters in the North London area, I do cover Central London as well. Sales or rentals, give me a call anytime. Number's 07771 890 049. Take care and have a great day.